Welcome back to part 3 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. To start off part 3, I'm gonna finish taking off the whole front of the car. I couldn't get off the first time because it was rusted, tight bolts, but now I done researched it. I know how to get most of it off. It's still gonna take time because it's tight. I've been trying to take this fender off for probably about 2 hours. I wouldn't have 2 hours now. All these bolts, all these screws, bolts, everything came from this one fender. It's still like 2-3 more bolts I gotta get. And all this came from the inside of here. And then I get all this all cleaned up. And I guess something was in there, so it was chewing the wires. So all these wires messed up. So once I take off the front of this, all this right here, and this, I could get a wiring diagram and fix the rest of the wires. I'm trying to get this fender off, but it was rusted. Like the screw in here, it rusted together. So I had to break a hole right here, connect the pliers to it, and get the exhibit turned. These two were the screw, and this was rusted together. It was stuck. It was stuck inside here, so I had to hit a hole, this big hole, to get this inside there and get this from the bottom. I got the rusted fender off. This how it look. This whole bottom ate out. This, everything rusted out. This was rusted, then I had to put a hole through it. All this, this was this way. I broke that. Rusted. And it had a dent in the front. It's supposed to be straight like this, but got a dent in the front. I'm only taking this one fender off, cause this the bad one. That one good. And I gotta clean up all this dirt, and a nest or whatever was right here. All this dirt, all that, everything over there came out this one area. I got everything mostly taken out. Everything off. I'm gonna prep everything, get it like this, flat, prime, everything cleaned up. All this tab, can take it off this, that. Take off everything else. Finish taking everything off and start prepping. Start prepping everything for paint. I basically took everything apart. So I gotta take off this and this. And once those two off, I could clean the engine fully, prep it for paint. But everything getting prepped for paint, it's gonna be like four different paints I'm using. It's gonna be black frame paint for the bottom, black paint going around here, orange paint for the engine, and black paint for these. It'll take about 3-4 days to do this, and then I gotta mask off everything that I don't want to get paint on. That's the end of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. So most of that was labor work. Next video, hopefully I get it started and all that. But like, comment, and subscribe.